Happy birthday, Ninang Reg at Ninang Rowena. This is a song for you. And it's a very nice song. One take and one two. Ready? 3, 2, 1, action. My face is written, hit by a fish. Please throw your shirt on. Hit by a fish. What your mom said. Beanie has, Beanie is the shells for your mother's tales. And now your teeth are gone. And I will sing this song. And I don't know what to do. 'Cause I'll never be with you. Ito naman yung totoo. I saw an angel, and I was pure. She's smiling like a soul. She was winning on a man, but I want to be on them, 'cause I got a friend. You're beautiful, you're beautiful, you're beautiful, it's true. I saw your face in a clouded place, and I don't know what to do, 'cause I'll never be with you. Thank you. Oh.
Dapat pa ba?
Meron pa isa eh, Tagalog naman. Giliwang mo sanang isip. Ay, mali. Sa bawat pag-ikot ng ating buhay ay oras, kailangan naman hiwalay. Puso'y lumaban man, walang magagawa. Saan ka, kailan ka muling mahagdan? Magkulang magsabi itong sandali. Alam ko'y na tayo'y magkikita muli hanggat may umaga pa na haharapin. Hanggang ngayon pa harapin. Thank you very much.
Oh, baby. Parang sa'yo naman. Oh.
Beautiful girls all over the world. Life could be chasing, but that time would be wasted. They got nothing on you, baby. Nothing on you, baby. They might say hi, and I might say hey, but you shouldn't worry about what they say, 'cause they got nothing on you, baby. Nothing on you, baby. Hey, beautiful girls. Oh, I know you love me, I know you care. You shall never, and I'll be there. You are my love, you are my heart, and I will ever, ever, ever be a part. Or be an item that will fade. We're just friends, what are you saying? But there's another look back in my eyes. That first love broke my heart for the first time. Now I'm like, baby, baby,